Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your Coursera for Business account. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or mobile device. Type Coursera.org in the address bar and press enter. Look for the sign in button on the top right of the Coursera homepage. Click sign in to open the login page. If your company uses a specific Coursera for Business link, open the invitation email from your organization. Click the Join or Sign In link in that email to go to the correct business portal. On the Sign In page, choose Continue with Email if you normally log in with your work email and password. Enter your work email address carefully and double-check for spelling mistakes. Click Continue to move to the password field. Type your password exactly as you created it, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Click Sign In to access your account. If your organization uses single sign-on, click Continue with SSO instead of email sign-in. Enter your company domain when asked, such as your company, and proceed. You will be redirected to your company's login page to complete verification. Type your corporate username and password if prompted by your company system. Complete any two-factor authentication step if your company requires it. Wait for the page to redirect back to Coursera after successful verification. Confirm you are on the Coursera for Business dashboard by checking for your organization name or team area. If you accidentally signed in with a personal Coursera account, click your profile icon and select Logout. Return to the sign-in page and repeat the steps using your work email or SSO method. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the sign-in page. Enter your work email and submit the request to receive a reset email. Open the reset email, create a new password, and then sign in again. If you do not receive the reset email, check your spam or junk folder and your company email filters. Make sure you are using the correct email address that your organization enrolled in Coursera for Business. If your access is still blocked, contact your company's Coursera administrator or HR learning team. You can also try signing in from an incognito or private window to avoid saved login conflicts. Once signed in, click My Learning or Catalog to start your assigned courses and programs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.